Lubegard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.
Lubegard Assemblee Goo with LXE-XP is formulated for use as an assembly aid and lubricant for virtually any assembly application. It facilitates the assembly process by holding components such as needle bearings and hydraulic seals in place, helping to achieve a faster, trouble-free rebuild. Assemblee Goo will not melt at shop or workbench temperatures, yet it dissolves and becomes soluble in transmission fluids at operating temperatures without clogging filters or solenoid valves. It is available in 2 tack strengths. Blue is our light tack formula and is perfect for colder climates. Green is our firmer tack formula and is ideal for more holding strength and warmer climates. Both green and blue goos are now formulated with LXE-XP and are the only assembly gels that provide lubrication and anti-wear protection for the moving parts on the initial startup, preventing wear and scoring on newly rebuilt units. The feedback from professional rebuilders led to our reevaluation of the Assemblee Goo products. The addition of LXE-XP for extra protection turned assembly gels originally designed to simply hold a gasket or thrust washer in place into an impressive anti-wear lubricant and a powerful break-in tool for the advanced builder. Testing shows that Lubegard Assemblee Goos significantly reduces wear over competing brands. The Phalanx 4-ball wear test machine is used to determine the relative wear preventing properties of lubricating fluids and greases in sliding and rolling applications. 3 half-inch diameter steel balls are clamped together and covered with the test lubricant. Lubricants are compared using the average size of the scar diameters worn on the 3 lower clamped balls. The end results are clear. Only Lubegard provides protection from wear on the initial startup. Protect your build and build better with Lubegard.
Lubegard is the leader in research, development, and manufacturing of highly specialized synthetic lubricants to various markets.